In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the process of getting started with Binance using Google. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to head over to Google and search for Binance. Once you type in Binance in the search bar, you'll see a list of results. Look for the link that says Binance, cryptocurrency exchange for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Clicking on this link will take you to the official Binance website where you'll be working from. Now that you're on the Binance homepage, the next step is to sign up if you don't already have an account. You'll notice a sign up button on the page. Go ahead and click that. This will lead you to the registration page where you're required to enter some basic information such as an email address and a password to create your account. After successfully signing up, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your new account. You'll see a login button on the website, which you should click. This will redirect you to the login page. Enter your registered email and password here. Just a quick tip, always ensure your password is strong to enhance the security of your account. Once you've entered your login details, there's another verification step. Binance will send an email verification code to the email address you provided. Head over to your email inbox, find that code, and return to the Binance login page to enter it. This is to ensure an additional layer of security for your account. Now, Binance will ask if you want to stay logged in. You'll see a prompt with the option yes or no. Your no. If this is your personal device and you feel comfortable with it, you can click yes to stay logged in. But if you're on a public or shared computer, it's safer to click no. After logging in, the next step is to start engaging in cryptocurrency transactions. Look for the Buy Crypto button and click on it. Binance offers a variety of options, but for this tutorial, let's say you're interested in buying USDT. Click on the USDT option to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to purchase, enter the desired amount, and then you'll need to select a trading pair. For instance, if you're looking at Bitcoin, this is the time to click on Bitcoin. Finally, there's an important step about verification. You'll encounter a Verify Identity button. Click on that. And you'll want to follow that up by clicking on Verify Now to proceed with your identity verification. And for the final thing in this process, click on Continue. This will ensure all necessary steps for registration and verification are completed on Binance. Congratulations! You're now set up on Binance and ready to explore the world of cryptocurrency trading. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the platform. Thanks for joining in, and happy trading!